All right, this is Rick with Lifetime Quality Roofing. We're out here at Anthony Baker's property right now. We're actually going to be attempting a repair on his roof. It is 11/4. It's about 72 degrees out. Beautiful day today. The claim number is 915877GP. So what I'm going to do is I marked out where I'm actually going to attempt the repair, as you can see right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually unseal these shingles. As you can see, Joe, you want to come down here? You can see, state the obvious, that there's literally no granules on this roof. But so the matting is just exposed right here. Tried unsealing that. You can see the hole that was just put into the shingle right here. See that? So I want to just point that out. This roof's going to be very difficult to do any repair on. But I guess we'll still attempt it. See right here? Just easily ripped.
Yeah, it's pretty frail.
All right, so I got all of my shingles unsealed, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the nails. You can see what's left of the couple granules on these shingles is just easily falling off. These nails just blow right through the shingle too, if you want to see that, Joe.
Yeah.
All right. Kill my nails right there. This should just slide right out. We did get our shingle back from Discontinued Materials Inc. It's an XT25. So that's what we're installing here today. That's actually what's already installed on the roof. Put this one in like so. Make sure it's matched up as best as possible with the left and right shingle. We're gonna go ahead and install our nails. So I'm gonna be careful not to lift this shingle up more than I need, but just enough so that I can get my hammer underneath and this nail fastened properly to the decking. You can just hear all the granules water fall off this roof. struggling to get these nails out.
Yeah.
We're down to our last few, that's why. There. All right, last nail here. All right, so finished up with the repair. A couple things I want to point out is obviously the integrity of the roof is just not there anymore. A couple things that are actually compromising the functionality of the shingle, right? So if you want to get down here, Joe, first things first, when we tried to unseal these shingles, you can clearly see that these just ripped. This one ripped. There's a hole in another shingle. Another thing I want to point out to you is lifting these shingles up. You want to get down here, Joe? Another thing when trying to unseal them to do this repair is the matting transfer. You can see there's the hole in the shingle. The matting's just totally compromised and damaged. Obviously, the major granule loss, you can see that these shingles are starting to, if you can tell, kind of crease up at the top here. But ultimately, with this repair, it is compromising the integrity and the functionality of the shingle. It is only temporary. It is only going to cause more damage to the roof over time, especially with these shingles not being able to seal back down properly. It actually, any wind-driven rain can get up underneath here in the pre-existing nail holes and down into the decking, and then you're gonna start to see more damage over time there. So again, ultimately, this repair is only temporary, not suitable for this homeowner.
All right. Thank you, Ricky.
Yep.